Good morning, first graders. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Let's go ahead and start our day with the kindness pledge. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. First graders, I hope that you will join me today at our optional Zoom meetings. It's a great way for us to connect and chat, and just have a good time together. Boys will be meeting at 11, and girls will be meeting at 12. I've sent your families the passwords and ID numbers for the meetings, so please make sure to log on with us and join us for some really good conversation. As always, friends, make it a great day. Click the next slide to do the pledge with Mr. A.